Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now try from here.
Uh, Bazerbi.
Yes.
Um, Iya.
Ha khadi zer hi.
Karizeri. Bahi.
Bihi. Bihi.
Bihi. Bihi.
Waqfann. Bih.
Wakufan. Bi. Mm,
Next.
eight
Yes.
seconds. How do you know what so are we gonna when we say wakufan? How do we know the what we say?
It is simple. Actually, we have to drop the very last zabar zer or pesh. Whatever we
No.
have at the end of the word, we just drop it in the condition of waqf and we don't read that very last zabar zer or pesh. Like in this one, there are two letters, ba that has the zer, then ha that has standing zer. Now
Okay.
we say bihi, and in the condition of waqf, we drop the last one. Now, what is the last one here? Khadi zer. Khadi zer is the very last. This one, okay?
Okay.
So we will drop this. And we are not going to read the Khadi zer here. And without reading zer, ha will be sakin. The very last letter will be sakin.
Sakin.
Yes. So it will become bih. Bihi waqfan bih.
Bihi wakufan. Bi.
Next.
Uh, Jim Zaberja.
Jim alif zabarja.
Jim Alif Zaberja.
And this is the sign of mad. What?
Mud.
Yeah,
Mudded.
mad.
Mud.
And you know, some teachers they mention the name of mad as well. Jim alif mad zabarja. So
Jim Alif Zaber Mud.
no,
Zaber.
alif mad. Jim alif mad zabarja.
Jim. Um.
Alif
Um.
alif mad zabarja.
Jim. I
Alif
mean
yes
Alif
mad
Mud
zabarja.
Zaberja.
So this is optional. We can leave mentioning of the mad and we just can mention jim and alif and zabar. But what is obligatory and what is necessary is to apply the mad. When we read,
Apply.
we must read it long, 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 long. Jim alif zabar jar.
Jim Alif Zaberja.
Hamza zabar a.
Humza Zaber A.
Now, what became?
Yeah. Ja'aha.
Jaa.
Ja'a.
Jaa.
Ja'a.
Waqfan.
Wakufan.
Ja.
Ja.
Look, we just dropped the very last harakat, that was zabar in this case. We dropped this zabar. When we said waqfann, we dropped this zair and it became ja.
Ja.
Jim ya zair ji.
Jim Yazir G.
And we are not going to mention the name of alif here, okay?
Okay.
Because alif is silent and we don't just read it. We don't read it. Jim ya zir ji.
Jim Yazir G.
Hamza zabar a.
Hamza Zabir A.
Ji a.
G. A.
Waqfan.
Wakufan.
Ji.
G.
Okay. This is Hamza ba shakal ya, as we understood recently. So this is Hamza. Look, we said Hamza zabar a, and we didn't mention the name of ya because it is Hamza ba shakal ya. Getting my point?
G.
Next.
एक सेकेंड मुझे
Hmm.
पता है एक सेकेंड why we don't add the alif because we can't make a four letter word.
No. We can have four-letter words. Okay. Like
Okay.
it was this one. Niyatin. It has four letters.
uh
Hamza, then second is Noon, third is Ya, and fourth is Ta. Okay?
oh
So words may be four letters, five letters, and the reason we cannot read the Alif here because it is impossible to read Alif after Zair because
oh
because these two sound opposite to each other. G and Alif demands the sound A. So how can we say both together? So that's why after kasra, after zair, alif is impossible. So it comes in the writing only because when the companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wrote down the Holy Quran, so they wrote it with alif. So that's why it is still written with alif since we cannot change the writing method, we have to follow how they wrote it. Okay.
okay
So this is Gia, and now move to forward.
Jim Pish Amju
No. Look, this is Sakin.
Sakin.
Do you recognize the sign of Jazam and sign of Sakin? This one.
Okay.
This is sign of Sakin. Symbol of Sakin. And you know the Sakin word always relies on the mutaharrik before it. Sakin word always relies on the haraka that is before it. So Jim having pesh will have to support the wow because waw has no haraka. So Jim will not go alone. Jim will take waw along with it. So now you will read Jim waw pesh you.
Oh, so we don't add the what कहता we don't add we don't add ain.
Yes, we will add it, but Ain does not need any reliance or support from anyone because Ain has its own haraka. Ain has zair and even two zair, not single. So the letter which has its own harakat does not rely on the other and does not need any support. So these two will come join it together. Jim, wow, pesh, ju. Because wow,
Jim.
because wow needs someone who can support him since wow has no haraka. So he needs the support from any one that can be before him and having haraka. So Jim is before him and Jim has harakat that is pesh. Okay?
Okay.
Jim wow pesh ju.
Jim pesh ju.
Yes, now Ain do zir ain.
In
Ain.
in
क्या बना?
um
Ju'in.
ju in
وقفا.
waqfann
جوع.
ju.
Okay, next. Again, you have this sign.
Sakin.
Yes.
So we do the wow first.
No. The first one will be the first, but the first one will not go alone. Rather, it has to take the sakin thing along with it.
Uh, what कहता वो number two.
No,
Okay.
not kho alone.
Whoa, whoa, I'm there.
Kho wow zabar khaw. Kho wow zabar khaw.
Whoa, um, Zaberho.
Fa do zir fin.
Pado de
خوف.
Pofin.
وقفا.
Wakufan.
خوف.
Pof.
Okay, nice.